Every Shopify store has product issues quietly costing sales. Missing images, zero stock, active listings, broken SEO. Most merchants don't even know they're there. StoreDoctor finds them all in one scan. This is StoreDoctor running right inside your Shopify admin. No setup, no separate login. The store has already been scanned. You're looking at a health score of 0 out of 100, critical status, 17 products scanned, 65 issues found. The dashboard splits everything into 2 buckets: critical issues that are directly losing sales right now, and warnings that are hurting SEO and content quality. On the critical side, 3 products are active but completely out of stock. Customers can find them, try to buy, and hit a dead end. 1 product has no image at all. On the warning side, 17 products have descriptions under 50 characters, 15 are missing SEO descriptions, 15 are missing SEO titles, and 14 have no SKU on their variants. These aren't hypothetical problems, they're happening in this store right now. The issues page breaks everything down by product. Each card shows exactly what's wrong and why it matters. Gift card, active with 0 inventory, missing SKU, description too short, no SEO title, no SEO description. The inventory not tracked. Snowboard, same story. The minimal snowboard, no product image at all. When you're ready to fix something, click Open in Shopify Admin, and StoreDoctor takes you straight to that product editor. You land directly on the product page. The issues StoreDoctor flagged are now obvious. Add the missing image here, update the description, fill in the SEO fields, fix it, save, come back to StoreDoctor and rescan to confirm. No hunting through your catalog. No guessing what to fix first. Back in StoreDoctor, every remaining issue is still listed and waiting. Work through them at your own pace, product by product. StoreDoctor is free for stores up to 50 products. Health score, full issue dashboard, 1 scan per week, no credit card required. The Pro plan at $19 a month removes all limits, runs unlimited scans, and adds 1 feature that saves serious time for larger stores. CSV export. Every issue, every product, every severity level exported in 1 click. Hand it to your VA, your content team, or your SEO agency. They get a complete action list without ever needing access to your Shopify admin. Pro includes a 7-day free trial. Cancel anytime. This is what the export looks like. Product ID, product title, handle, rule, severity, all structured and ready to work with. StoreDoctor. Install free. Find what's hurting your sales today.